Well, Wooly here, guys. It's a faceless video. Backyard bushcraft, whatever you want to call it, guys. Let's have a little chat about feather sticks. So, what are feather sticks? Guys, feather sticks are basically you increasing the surface area of something that you're trying to set on fire. Okay, it's easier to set it on fire if it has more surface area and more thinner material that will take a spark easier. You do that with a piece of wood by creating feathers. Okay, it is also a way that you can take a piece of wood that is potentially wet on the outside, split it open and make feathers of the inside, because the inside of that wood is going to be dry. Alright, so feathers, guys, using a knife to make feathers. Now, this is my own personal opinion and my own personal experience and my own skill in doing this, okay? And it is a skill, guys. I am not the most skilled in the world at doing it, alright? Definitely not the most skilled in the world at doing it. The thing about it is, guys, if you don't practice, you won't be able to do it, okay? So, what I like to do, guys, is I like to get my knife and put it flat, like this, on the piece of wood. See that? And then tip it forward until it engages, okay? Tip it forward until it engages. The less engagement you have with the blade, the thinner your feather sticks are going to be, okay? Most common mistake people make in the beginning is to go like this. And it's like they're chiseling lumps out. Alright? So, if you look very closely on this piece of wood, you will see that running up along here, there is a tiny spine on that piece of wood, okay? I don't know if you guys can focus on that. So what I do is, guys, is every time I'm moving down to make a feather, I'm removing that spine. And then all I do is I rotate the stick, keep the knife the same. Now wait and see, I won't be able to make a single feather stick when doing this. Keep the knife the same. Rotate the stick. You want your feathers going in different directions? Angle your blade. This will make feathers that go straight down, like this one. If I put my blade like this, this is what will happen. See? If I go the other way, so this is quite a flat area here. So all I'm going to do is just get myself start again. Sometimes the stick just doesn't want to be feathered. Sometimes you're trying to make feathers and it just won't work. Don't be afraid to carve a little bit of the stick to get a flat bit that you can start on. If the stick is not making feathers for you, turn it over. It could be the way the grain's running on the stick that's making a little bit funny. See? So this is going a little bit deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around. I'll try and do really fine ones. So a couple of flat ones, turn it. I haven't made feather sticks in ages. And guys, it is a skill, and skills need to be practiced. Practice, practice, practice. In order for your feathers to take a spark, they need to be as thin as possible, okay? So if you're having trouble getting your feathers to take a spark, check the thickness. If they are quite thick, you can always turn your knife blade around and use the 90-degree spine on the back of your knife to just fluff some stuff up so that it takes a spark. Does that make sense, guys? Bigger knife, okay, what you can do is you can put it in like this, pull it back like that. Guys, all these pieces of wood, all these little shavings, they all will burn, okay? So it's not about having the perfect little bundle. Oh, look at mine, it's so aesthetically pleasing. All my little curls are going in the one direction. Oh well, I do one straight down, one to the right, and one to the left. Who cares? It's about lighting a fire. Sorry, so relaxing. Keep your knife sharp, guys. It's easier for feather sticking. Sometimes what I will do, guys, is if I want to get really fine ones just right in here, is I'll pick the stick up, I'll hold it like this, and I'll just obviously do it much better than I'm doing it there. That's always the way, isn't it? That's it. I used to sit and make feather sticks for hours, guys. The end. Thanks for watching, guys. The art of feather sticking. Feel free to comment, guys, if you do anything different or you think I could have done something better there. Stick a comment down below. Let me know how crap you think I am. Stay frosty.